Buying a boat is very different to any other type of purchase you may make and can prove to be even more costly if the one you buy doesn't suit your purposes or comes with pre-existing problems if it's second-hand. Here are Haven's top 10 tips. Think carefully about how you plan to use your boat. Will it suit you and your family and your budget? Set your budget, not forgetting that there'll be additional maintenance, insurance, registration, berthing and running costs. Use a reputable boat builder or brokerage, ideally a member of the British Marine Federation. Check exactly what's included in the price, that it's a fixed price, the delivery date, and if there's a warranty. If using marine finance to make your purchase, check who'll be responsible for any registrations of the boat. A professional surveyor can check the quality of workmanship and specification for a new build and also advise the true value of a second-hand boat and on any unseen problems. If a used boat, make your offer subject to a sea trial and the findings of any survey. Ensure that clear title to the boat is guaranteed and that there is no outstanding finance agreement. Create your own checklist of things to look out for yourself, including the paintwork, signs of rust or corrosion, operation of engine and equipment, upholstery, equipment inventory, and anything that gives an indication of possible problems. As the new owner, it's your responsibility to have all the necessary safety equipment, including navigation lights and insurance. Together, we've got it covered.